Good day everyone. Today, we will be discussing an important piece of Philippine history, the site of the first Mass in the Philippines. This event marks a significant moment in the nation's colonial past, as it was a key step in the introduction of Christianity to the Filipino people. Let us delve into the details of the historic occasion and the significance of the location where it took place. In the year 1521, Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan, who was leading a Spanish expedition, arrived in the Philippines. On March 16, 1521, Magellan and his crew landed on this island of Homonhon, marking their first point of contact with the archipelago. However, it wasn't until a few days later, on March 31, 1521, that the most significant event in this period occurred, the first Mass in the Philippines. The first Mass was celebrated by Father Pedro de Valderrama, the chaplain of Magellan's fleet, in honor of the Spanish expedition's safe arrival. This event is considered the introduction of Catholicism to the Philippines, as it marked the beginning of what would eventually become the majority religion of the country. The exact location of where the first Mass was held has been a subject of historical debate. The traditional belief is that it occurred on the island of Limasawa, located in the southern part of the Philippines. In the province of Leyte, Limasawa is a small, relatively unknown island, but its role in history has made it a significant place of pilgrimage. The Limasawa claim was popularized by historians and experts from the 16th century onward. A church was eventually built on the island to commemorate the first Mass, and it has become a major tourist destination for those interested in the Philippine history. However, in recent years, another island has claimed the distinction of being the site of the first Mass. This island is called Masao, located in the town of Butuan, in the northern part of Mindanao. Some historians believe that Magellan's fleet may have made landfall here rather than in Limasawa, based on alternative readings of historical records. Despite the debate, both Limasawa and Butuan have valid historical claims. The fact that both sites are significant to Philippine history is a testament to the country's rich and diverse past. Why is the first Mass so important in Philippine history? Firstly, it marks the beginning of the introduction of Christianity to the archipelago. The Spanish brought Catholicism with them, and over the centuries, it spread across the islands, deeply influencing Filipino culture, traditions, and values. Secondly, the first Mass symbolizes the beginning of a relationship between the Philippines and Spain, which would last for more than 3 centuries. This interaction brought about major changes to Philippine society, from governance to the religion, education, and even art and architecture. In conclusion, the first Mass in the Philippines is not just a historical event, but a cornerstone in the rich tapestry of the nation's cultural and religious heritage. Whether it took place on Limasawa or Butuan, the importance of the Mass cannot be overstated. It was the beginning of Catholicism influence in the Philippines, and its reverberations can still be seen in the country today. The debate about the location only highlights the deep interest and significance that Filipinos place on this part of their history. It serves as a reminder of what the enduring legacy of Magellan's arrival in the Philippines and the lasting relationship between the nations and Christianity. Thank you for listening, and may this historical insight inspire a greater appreciation for the Philippines' journey through time.